In this video, we will look at the Set Position node of the Geometry node. Select the default cube and create a new Geometry node tree. Add a curved line. The Set Position node can be controlled for each vertex, allowing you to express any shape you want. Add an index node and connect it to the selection socket. Add a combines as node and connect it to the position socket. In this state, any shape that can be expressed by 2 points can be expressed. Add a resample curve node to increase the number of vertices you want to control. Add a compare node. In this way, a little more variety of expressions is possible. By connecting the noise texture to the offset socket, this expression is possible. To keep the starting point, add a vector math node and enter -0.5. By using the vector rotate node, more diverse expressions are possible. Depending on how you arrange each vertex, the line becomes a curve. Even if you only have an in-depth understanding of the Set Position node and the vector rotate node, a lot of different expressions are possible. That's it for this video. Thank you.